Today we're going to show you how to put in the ACC marker light bezel conversion. Ford does not make a chrome style marker light for the Raptor. So we've got one here that's real easy to put in. A couple of steps you got to take. The light itself comes out very easily. It's basically just kind of stuck into the grommet here. You'll just pull this out like so, and then pull the whole boot out. We're going to keep this all together as a factory part. So what we're going to do is splice the new light in. When you make your connections, it's real important that your tube is not, if you crimp your tube, it's not on the seam side, because what will happen is you end up just opening the tube and not really crimping anything. So we're just going to go ahead and set these up. Now it's also very possible to crimp this too tight where you actually pinch the wire, cut it off, and then it just kind of falls out. So you want to make sure that you've got a nice good solid bite on that. Now you got to keep in mind that the light, the positive wire for these lights is actually this the black one. So what we're going to do is connect our black wire to our red lead. This is positive, and so is this on the light. So we'll go ahead and set that up. Just open your door and make sure your connections are good and you're all set, and then you just simply press it back in the same way you took it out. And now you have a real cool chrome bezel for your real markers.